Solanki, and today we are going to continue our third short story. I hope you remember its name. It was A Day's Wait. It was written by Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway was a very talented and famous writer from America. He has influenced the later generations with his adventurous lifestyle. He has also worked as a journalist and a sports person. In the last video, we talked about the story and the introductory part. We even began the story where we talked about a small young boy whose name is Sats, and he was suffering from body ache. And when the doctor measured the temperature, it was 102. In the beginning of the story, he is found sick, he wants comfort, and he is shown as if something is clogged. His father calls the doctor measures the temperature, doctor even prescribed several capsules to cure his ailments. First one was to bring down the fever, second one was to cleanse the bowel system, and third one was to overcome acid condition. According to the doctor, germs of influenza survives only in acid condition of our body. From here, we are going to continue our session with the remaining part of the story. I hope you will enjoy the narration that is done by me.
Doctor left the house after giving a prescription of medicines. They were of different colored capsules with instructions to take them. One of them was to bring down the fever, second one was a purgative to cleanse the bowel system, and the third one was to overcome acid condition because the germs of influenza survive in acid condition only. Doctor knew everything about influenza. It was a light epidemic of flu. Sats should avoid pneumonia. His father took his temperature and made a note to give him various capsules and asked him to read a story for him. The boy's response was lukewarm. He said, "All right, if you want to." Hemingway describes his illness from the boy's appearance. His face was white with dark circles under his eyes. He lay still and detached. Father read a story aloud from the Book of Pirates, but Sats did not follow. Hemingway was famous for the minute detailing of his characters and everything that is happening around. He showed it the best when the father kept on asking Sats about his health while the boys same monotonous responses. Father, as a father, was concerned, so he stayed in the room, although the boy was detached, to give him the next dose of medicines, and since the boy was not following, he read it to himself. After a while, from the boy's response over his staying in the room, he left the room. It seemed Sats was feeling a little light-headed, but when his father returned home from outside, at home Sats denied everyone's entry into the room. He said, "You can't come in. You must not get what I have." When his father saw him, he was lying in the same position, still and lifeless. His fever had worsened. Father took his temperature. It was something near to 100, which meant the medicines worked, but yet the boy's hold over himself did not lose. He kept on thinking. Once again his father started reading from the book, but as usual the boy was not following. All of a sudden he asked, "About what time do you think I am going to die?" Sat's father got shocked. He tried to dig out the matter, but the boy was so captivated with the misconception of death that he refused to understand his father's assurance. Because at school in France, the boy heard some boys say that you can't live with 44 degrees. And Sats was scared of death for the whole day, waiting for his death. Father tried to persuade him that he was not going to die with fever 102 degrees. He pitied him and removed his misunderstanding by giving him various examples to understand two different thermometers, Fahrenheit and Celsius thermometers. On one thermometer, 37 is normal, whereas on a body measuring thermometer, 98 degrees is normal. Sats, out of disbelief, confirmed the information his father gave. After a while, he grasped it all and his hold over himself loosened. He started behaving in the normal manner after his misunderstanding was cleared by his father.
So friends, this was for today, and this was perhaps the last video from me, and I hope you have enjoyed all the videos done by me. I have tried to explain things with as much as ease possible. Till we meet in person in the class, take a very good care of yourself. Now, this is Rita Solanki signing off, taking your leave. Take care.